Do you know what's crazier than a raccoon on caffeine? The explosive gains in this market. I'm talking Solana going up by over 10,000% and Shiba Inu skyrocketing by a whopping 40 million%. That's like winning the lottery, getting struck by lightning, and finding a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow all at once. The market took a dive faster than a clumsy diver belly flopping into the pool. Crypto went into a bear market, and prices of most major coins fell faster than a skydiver without a parachute. But we have 3 altcoins below 10 cents in mind that have the potential to explode in 2023. So, my friend, buckle up and enjoy the ride. The crypto market is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Will it be a delicious ganache-filled truffle or a coconut cream abomination? Only time will tell. It is certainly hard to predict which cryptocurrency will see the next major surge. But we can identify a few potential contenders who are using existing trends like decentralized banking, data storage, and electronic payment systems. I'll showcase 3 of the best cryptocurrencies for 2023 in today's video. They are all great projects in my opinion, and they're all now priced at less than 10 cents. These are high-risk initiatives, as they are clearly under 1 cent. Risk in moderation is something that I think is incredibly beneficial to have in your portfolio. I don't advise anyone to buy into any of these initiatives, but I do advise you to conduct your own study and make your own financial judgments. I'm not a financial expert. This is simply for informational reasons. Nonetheless, in my opinion, these initiatives have great potential. Penny cryptocurrencies trade for a few cents or less than 10 cents per unit, just like penny stocks. Despite having a low market capitalization and substantial risk, they are inexpensive investments. Yet, the ideal penny cryptocurrency to invest in should have the ability to appreciate in value over time. Otherwise, it is illogical. The potential of crypto is determined by several aspects. It may be the worth of the underlying technology or investment, the team and/or community behind the initiative, or just plain hype. These kinds of coins and tokens, whose value is likely to rise over time owing to their current potential, are available for cryptocurrencies. So let's check out the stars of the show one by one. VeChain. The VeChain cryptocurrency, VET, which runs the blockchain that supports smart contracts, has been rising strongly in 2023. Since the beginning of the year, cryptocurrency gains have been close to 100%, with VET USD presently trading in the 30 cents to 30 cent range compared to values around 15 cents at the end of 2022. As VET jumped to the north of a downtrend that has been in effect since late 2021, the pump really got rolling in early mid-January. But more lately, VeChain's 2 successful bounces from its 200 DMA, a solid indication of the market's favorable momentum change, have given the bulls more traction. This week saw a significant rebound for Chinese cryptocurrencies as Hong Kong officials took action to legalize trade to boost the local economy. Beijing officials ostensibly endorsed the action. VeChain's price surged to a multi-month high of 3.2 cents as these coins increased in value. VeChain had increased by 112% from its lowest position in 2022 to its highest point this week. The token for the Chinese blockchain project, VeChain, has performed rather well over the last 2 weeks. The performance of other cryptocurrencies like BTC and ETH, which have increased by double digits, is most consistent with this rebound. There hasn't been any significant VeChain news. First of all, during the past few days, the number of addresses known to have VET has kept growing. VeChain data reports that the ecosystem currently has more than 2.04 million addresses. The number of contracts in the network has increased to over 20,000, and the total number of blocks has increased to over 14.6 million at the same time. These on-chain metrics often have an effect on the price of an asset. Second, when the creators unveiled a brand new wallet called VWorld, the VeChain ecosystem kept expanding. The wallet is referred to as the VeChain network's MetaMask. Its primary features include a fiat on-off ramp and an integrated carbon calculator. The developers are now conducting a poll to choose the new steering committee members. Voting has begun in the second round, which will continue until March 1st. 107 members had cast ballots for their favorite candidate at the time of voting. The daily chart can help us get a broad perspective of an asset and forecast its future course. The graph demonstrates that the currency was able to suppress a significant resistance level at 2.8 cents, the peak on November 8th. However, VeChain surpassed the critical resistance level at 2.6 cents its highest level since February 8th. In what is known as a break and retest pattern, the 50-day and 200-day exponential moving averages have both been crossed by VeChain, which is significant, and a bullish crossing known as a golden cross pattern between the two EMAs is going to occur. This is a unique pattern that frequently indicates a bullish trend. Thus, I anticipate that the currency will keep increasing as buyers go for the crucial resistance level at 3.4 cents, which corresponds to the peak on August 12th of last year. After a price peak of 3.049 cents and a 14.36% increase, VeChain is currently on a bullish rampage. For a token whose price movement is not very noteworthy, it has increased by more than 32.85% over the previous week. VeChain has been making great strides in terms of its acceptance across a wide range of businesses as an enterprise-grade Layer 1 smart contract platform. VeChain has been utilized in the battle against climate change particularly successfully, despite its adaptability and variety of applications. The protocol has retracted the special qualities of vCarbon, its zero-threshold carbon management software as a service (SaaS) protocol, in one of the most recent versions. VeChain, an enterprise-grade blockchain system, must be able to handle the simultaneous needs of millions of users. During the past few months, the smart contract platform has been developing its protocol through periodic updates. Around the end of last year, the largest mainnet hard fork of the network went online, driving up prices in the wake of the FTX collapse. The endurance of the VeChain protocol, which is a requirement for boosting its widespread applicability, is a second important factor driving the technology's uptake in the organization. Regarding the utility component of blockchain technologies, VeChain has pushed the envelope of what is practical. More established participants in the industry may now access and benefit from the protocol's speed and low transaction costs thanks to its existing on-ramp agreement with Simplex. According to experts, the coin's value might reach 7.29 cents in 2025. Trading Beasts predicted the price of VeChain. The lowest VeChain price estimate from Digital Coin Price is 4.8 cents, while Gov Capital predicts the highest price at 54.97 cents. If well-known enterprises start using the network, the pricing forecast for VET in 2023 may improve. The VET price may increase to its highest level of 4.17 cents as a result of how the blockchain is altering logistics and the supply chain. Ecomi. By now, if you had invested $1,000 in OMI, the Ecomi network's native token, at the beginning of 2021, you would have made $150,340. The explanation is straightforward. A gain of 15,034.09% in just September 2021. Thus, the lesson here is that if you still want to use cryptocurrency to become rich, daydreaming won't help. It would be beneficial if you started to think that cryptocurrencies had genuine utility and sustainability. Even in winter crypto, price spikes occur frequently, but scams are just around the corner. Start small if you still want to become a cryptocurrency billionaire. The next BTC may be purchased for pennies, and almost every other currency has the potential to see price increases, as was the case with Ecomi. People don't think OMI can reach that high, but because the app is so user-friendly, they are unknowingly utilizing Ecomi via the app. Every cryptocurrency is attempting to enter the sizable mainstream. What are the possibilities that OMI will reach the moon once more in crypto winter? OMI had its opportunity in 2021 when it became the top gainer. Let's see how our Ecomi pricing forecasts turn out. With a distinctive selection of collectibles, Singapore-based Ecomi seeks to integrate popular culture and entertainment into the digital sphere. While it's presently a bit challenging to purchase OMI on the major exchanges, individuals who can do so may benefit greatly from the project's rising popularity. Some of the most recognizable pop culture businesses, such as Star Trek, Marvel, DC, Ghostbusters, Adventure Time, etc., have partnered with Ecomi. Let's see whether further roadmap developments lead to success. A Singapore-based company called Ecomi provides the Vivi platform, safe Ecomi wallets, and the OMI coin. Its main goals are NFTs and their growth, to monetize popular culture by bringing it into the internet era. According to Ecomi, NFTs could play a significant role in the future of interactive experiences as well as digital artworks. Forget about storing digital art on a USB stick. Instead, Imagine creating actual 3D artwork of your favorite characters in your virtual reality headsets or engaging in virtual 3D NFT Pokemon card battles. Our technical analysis predicts that by the end of 2023, the OMI coin will reach a maximum price level of 0.48 cents. Depending on the market, the estimated average price for OMI may be as low as 0.26 cents. In contrast, if the market declines, the minimum price of OMI might drop to 0.13 cents in 2023. According to our study, the OMI value will continue to rise as cryptocurrencies recover from the protracted negative occurrences. MediBlock. According to the Investors Observer Sentiment Score during the previous 5 days, MediBlock has received a bullish rating. The sentiment score evaluates MediBlock's performance over the last 5 days in terms of volume and price changes. The sentiment score offers an instant, brief overview of the cryptocurrency's most recent performance. This may be helpful for both long-term investors wanting to purchase the drop and short-term investors looking to ride a rebound. The price of MediBlock is presently over the barrier. With resistance around 1.97 cents and support located at 1.92 cents, MediBlock may be in a precarious position if the rally fizzles. MediBlock has recently seen low volume trading. This indicates that today's volume is lower than the volume average for the previous 7 days. A blockchain-based data management system with an emphasis on healthcare data, MediBlock. In the healthcare industry, patient medical records are fragmented and disseminated throughout several healthcare organizations and institutions in various states and nations. In essence, every new doctor you visit at a different hospital, municipality, city, or country will be familiar with some aspect of your medical history. Your medical information is stored in part by healthcare tools and gadgets that analyze and collect data. It would be extremely difficult, if not nearly impossible, for a healthcare professional to obtain a complete record of a patient's medical history to make the most accurate diagnosis or, depending on the situation, to follow the most effective course of treatment, given that it is dispersed across numerous platforms and locations. A patient's complete medical history may be accessible at any time using MediBlock's data integration system, which compiles all of the patient's medical data and delivers real-time updates for every new entry into the system. MediBlock is a blockchain-enabled medical information system that prioritizes the needs of the patient, not simply another blockchain-enabled medical information system. In essence, MediBlock gives individuals complete control over their health records, which must be kept private by HIPAA guidelines. With MediBlock, only patients are allowed access to their medical information, since only the owner of the data is given the private key to unlock and decrypt sensitive medical information. In other words, only the patients are allowed decrypted access to their private medical information, and they are free to disseminate it however they see fit. The rate of exploitation of patients' healthcare data and all the other methods of unlawful use of patients' information held in the MediBlock database by interfering third parties will be significantly reduced thanks to this patient information management approach. The most recent information available indicates that MediBlock is presently trading at 20 cents and that Med is currently ranked 195 overall in the crypto community. The market capitalization of MediBlock is $138,319,364, and its circulating supply is $6,908,642,520. The price of MediBlock has increased significantly in the previous 24 hours by 3.2%, thanks to an increase in its trading volume and market value. The Med gained by 2.91% during the last 7 days, continuing its strong upward trajectory. Recently, MediBlock has demonstrated a lot of promise, so now would be a good time to get in and make an investment. Yet, by comparing the present price to the price history over the previous 30 days, it can be seen that the value of MediBlock has grown by 13.042%. The price of MediBlock is anticipated to reach at least 2.5 cents in 2023 based on forecast prices and technical analysis. The maximum price for Med is 3.2 cents, and its typical trading price is 2.6 cents. And that's it for today's video. We hope you liked the video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. We'll see you guys in another video. Until then, peace.